We can't have egg, so this calls for 2 eggs. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to make flaxseed.
Flaxseed is this?
Yep, we use flax meal, and you'll hear on the internet people use a flax egg. So what that is flax meal. We're going to show you how to make it. You want to start off making that first. So we have this little bowl. We'll prop this up so you can see it. So one egg would equal 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. We need 2 eggs, so we're going to do 2. So 1 tablespoon of flaxseed to 2.5 tablespoons of water, and then you have to let it set for 15 minutes. It will turn into kind of like a paste, and that's what makes everything stick together. So I don't know if you can see that. It's just like water. So we're gonna let it set there while we make everything else, and then we'll put it at the end. No, we don't need to. It doesn't need to be exactly 15 minutes, just until it looks like a gel.
A few moments later.
Like it's an egg. Feels it's like kind of weird. It looks gross.
It's getting there. It's not quite watery like it was before. The flaxseed is soaking it up a little bit, so we're getting pretty close.